Hey guys, so in this video I'll be giving you a brief overview of the deep agent that I designed in LangGraph from scratch. And if you don't know what deep agents are, they are the next big thing in the AI agent space, and they're far more superior to your regular React agent that you might have seen around on the internet. So deep agents, how are they different from the regular React agent? So I'm going to just show you right here. So as you can see, this is how the architecture of a deep agent looks like. We have an orchestrator in the center of everything. It's responsible for the execution of all the workflows, all the tasks, all the delegation, keeping track of the work that gets done. And it has access to a planner component, right? So this planner allows it to do two things. First, it allows it to create detailed plans on what needs to get done. And then it also allows it to, if Orchestrator realizes that the plan is not adequate enough, it allows it to revise its plan, update its approach, and then go with that, right? So it's very adaptable. Then, as you can see here, there is this to-do component. What is a to-do component? Well, it's basically a to-do list, more like a persistent memory. If you have worked with Claude Code, it maintains a to-do list of all the things that it's working on, what has completed, what is in progress, what it's going to work on next. So this to-do component allows the orchestrator to maintain a persistent list of all the to-do tasks that it needs to do, and it keeps updating on that. Then on this side, we have access to specialized agents. So we have this researcher agent. Now, as you can see, this researcher agent is a subgraph itself. So the beauty of LangGraph is that you can build whatever you want just using LangGraph, right? You don't need any abstractions on it whatsoever. Even if the LangGraph teams wants to push some abstractions on you, like they have an abstraction for a React agent, which I could have used, but I did not. Why? Because I believe in staying purely in LangGraph. Why? Because it allows you a lot of benefits. It allows you to keep the control in your hands, and also to scale your designs, right? Um, so in this scenario, this is a researcher subagent, which is implemented as a subgraph. So what it does is it generates search queries, and then it searches all of them up, and then it summarizes the results, and then it returns them back to the orchestrator. So uh, in deep agents, orchestrator delegates work to the specialized agents, and these specialized agents, they have their own dedicated context. So they do not convolute orchestrators' context with their tool calls. They're working separately, and when their works get done, they return the results to the orchestrator, and orchestrator proceeds with whatever is next, right? And then we have this writer agent, which is also a specialized subagent. Then we have this reviewer agent. So this is basically a deep research agent implemented in LangGraph. And if you want to learn how to build one just like this in LangGraph from scratch, or you maybe want me to uh, show you how these deep agents could be applied to any of your use cases, uh, I would be glad to do that, right? So I have a YouTube channel called LangGraph Lab. I will link it in the comments or the post, and do check it out, because on there I'll be posting exactly how you can build something like a deep agent or any other agents for your use cases using LangGraph. Why LangGraph? Because LangGraph is the best framework right now you can use to build from simple agents to the most complex agents out there, right? You can build any agent architecture inside it without relying on any kind of abstractions. The control is in your hand. So if this sounds interesting to you, do check out my YouTube channel. And if you want to connect directly with me, drop me a link, DM on LinkedIn. I will be happy to connect with you, and we can discuss your use case or whatever agents you would like me to help you build. So this is all from for today. I'm signing out. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.